Guide it calls us all. Come on the drum, hear it play, guiding the night, chasing the day. Come on the drum, feel it hum. It's the heartbeat, it's where we're from.
I hear the wind, it calls my name. Through the trees it plays under the moonlight glowing so white. Footprints on sand where the ocean collide. Stars winking slow like they share a secret. Time slip away, but we not regret. If a moonlight dance till it dawn, till it break up sight. If a moonlight thoughts beat steady, everything full light. If a moonlight dance till it dawn, till it break up sight. If a moonlight hearts beat steady, everything feel right. Cool breeze whisper through palm tree vines. Jah rhythm playing, no need for signs. Shadows swaying in the dove's embrace. Feel the earth turn, every moment a grace. Bassline drop deep, roots holding strong. Echo skank bounce, carry we along. The moon, the stars, the dove so sweet. Every soul here, the rhythm complete. If a moonlight dance till it dawn, till it break up sight. If a moonlight hearts beat steady, everything feel like. If a moonlight dance till it dawn, till it break up sight. If a moonlight hearts beat steady, everything feel right. When the sunrise and the moon take rest, we will remember the night, the moments bliss. If a moonlight, it still live inside. Carry the dove, let the vibes reside. Heat in the wind, the whispers loud. Ashes rise from the scorched up ground. The earth it trembles, shakes my mind. Oh, oh. Fire this sky, fire this soul, burning bright where the stories roll. Fire the sky, fire the way. Burn it down to rise one day. Smoke trails like a serpent's dance. Shadows flicker, no second chance. The air is heavy, it weighs me low. Oh. Feel the rhythm, feel the fight. Blaze will guide us through the where the stories roll. Fire the sky, fire the way. Burn it down to rise one day. Lightning strikes with the rebels cry. Roots dig deep where the flames comply. The heat is life, the heat's a call. We stand, we rise, we face it all. Sunrise dripping gold on the hills. A cloud of green, it bends my will. Roots so deep, they touch the core. This is the herb that opens doors. Ganja of the earth, it speaks to me. Rolling like the waves, it sets me free. Breathing in the spirit, ancient tree. Ganja of the earth is destiny. Leaves whisper secrets to the breeze. A sacred rhythm through the trees. The ground it hums, the sky replies. The herb it lifts, it never lies. One spark, one light, one truth that carries the soul back to its roots. Ganja of the earth, it speaks to me. Rolling like the waves, it sets me free. Breathing in the spirit, ancient tree. Ganja of the earth, it's destiny. Fire in the night, the stars align. A mystic bond beyond time. Through the smoke, I see it clear. The earth and I, we're bound right here. The sun it dims, the sky turns red. I hear the whispers of what was said. The earth it moves, the fire it spreads. Jah breath fills my head. Jah breath lifts me up from the depths.
through the night, through the dark comes the light. Jah breath guides me through every fight.
Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. The bread, the water, and the wine. Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. From the altar to the sky. Be not afraid of what you see. Just be the change you wanna be. Be not afraid of what you see. Just be the change you wanna be. Now I know what it's all about. Let me be here and work it out. Gotta get these thoughts out of my mind and move forward until I find. Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. The bread, the water, and the wine. Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. From the altar to the sky. Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. The bread, the water, and the wine. Let it rise, let it rise, let it rise. From the altar to the sky. Likkle light, it start to glow in the darkest place. It shows a tiny flame, but it never slows. Likkle light, it guides the way, burning bright. It not decay through the storm, through the gray. Likkle light, we here to stay. Wind the blow, the fire shake, still it holds, it never breaks. Small but strong, it no mistake. Even when the shadows call, even when the nights seem tall. Likkle light, it guides the way, burning bright. It not decay through the storm, through the gray. Likkle light, we here to stay. Likkle light, it dance and spin, shine from deep, it start within every heart, it born to win.
ocean tides. Roots run deep where the old road divides. Feet keep moving till the morning collides. The beat won't stop, no it won't let go. Feel it, feel let the fire grow. Roll and rise, feel the rhythm in your soul. Roll and rise, let the music make you whole. Roll and rise, like the tide we're in control. Echoes calling through the canyon wide. Bassline shaking like a rebel's guide. We're all passengers on this rough ride, but together we roll, we rise, we glide. Roll and rise, feel the rhythm in your soul. Roll and rise, let the music make you whole. Roll and rise, like the tide we're in control.
The wind tells tales in the ancient trees.